Hi everyone, my name is James Valerie. I will be representing try catch or exemption. The try statement allows you to define the block of code to be tested for errors while being executed, while the catch statement allows you to define a block of code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. Tanto example. Aral. So, mag-error na siya kay ang index na 5 wala man siya nag-exist. Wala. So we use try and catch para ma-catch ang errors and mag-execute siya mga code. Try. Execution. So instead na mag-error siya, nagagamit tag catch para mag-error na nakabutang kay parang error na mabutang kay ma statement. That's all, thank you.